There's no reason to
She said as long as I stay out here, you don't have to wear your helmet.
Yay. Do you think that's a bike helmet?
To me, it looks like a
I don't even know what a bike helmet is. I never know. It thing doesn't even fit me. I look like
Let's get started.
Huh?
You guys can take, another scooter's in the back of the truck if you guys want to take those too.
Sure. Where is
Not that you can carry them both, but I can carry them over there.
It's on the video camera. Hey, I'm video.
Scooters or my bike?
Hey, I'm video taping right now. You guys gotta think fast. I'm videotaping.
No, you're not.
No, you're not.
Turn it off.
Nope.
Turn it off.
No.
How bad was that?
Hey, I'm still videotaping.
What? We have another scooter. We have another scooter.
This is the old one. Oh, you like the old one better?
I got.
Because the wheels go faster.
I am videotaping here.
No.
Listening to.
I'm doing it here.
I don't think so.
Alright, Chris, go grab your
I'm not videotaping.
Oh, you're not.
I am videotaping. I'm not seeing it off though.
Are you guys taking this one? I'm leaving it here.
Chris, you're going to need your bike. You're not going to be able to do it.
Come on, Mom.
Here, I'll just take both of